Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration just to then click the volume section, and to change ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side this dot on the ringtone volume panel. Also if you wanna change the ringtone volume with the volume buttons, be sure that this volume keys for media switcher is turned off. And now with the help of the volume up or volume down button we can change also the ringtone volume, and we can make it with our fingers by slide to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.